This is elevator 2 at the Holiday Inn in Westbury. This one also got modernized. It's coming. There you go.
Going up.
Go. Alright. This one was also noticed. Alright, here we go.
Third floor.
Well, I just pulled a Westinghouse. Occasionally the chime does 2 beeps. Sounds exactly the same as the other one. They smell nice.
Lobby going down.
What if? No.
Going down.
This one has the better motor. There goes that one, and that's it.